In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add nested pages in Notion. Whether you're opening Notion for the first time or looking to polish your workflow, I'll walk you through a simple, reliable way to create subpages inside a page so your workspace stays tidy and intuitive. First, open the page where you want your new subpage to live. Think of this as your parent page, the hub that will hold related content underneath it. Having a clear parent page keeps your information grouped, whether you're organizing projects, class notes, or documentation. With that parent page open, place your cursor in the content area and type / followed by the word page, then press enter. The / command is one of Notion's superpowers. It's a quick way to insert different types of content without hunting through menus. Using / page specifically tells Notion to spin up a brand new subpage right inside the page you're currently in. As soon as you press enter, a blank subpage opens. Give it a clear, specific title so you can recognize it at a glance later. Then start adding content. Populate can mean anything from simple text notes to to-dos and embeds. The important part is clarity. Use a title that reflects the purpose. Add a short description at the top if it helps future you, and keep related material together. If you like, follow a naming pattern so your nested pages read like a tidy table of contents. When you're ready to jump back to your parent page, use the breadcrumbs at the very top of your window. Breadcrumbs show the path from your workspace all the way down to the page you're viewing. Click the parent page name in that path to return instantly. This is the fastest way to move up a level and maintain context, especially once you have several layers of organization. You can repeat this same page process inside any subpage to create deeper nesting. Treat each level like a chapter and its sections, keeping titles consistent so navigation stays effortless. A little structure up front pays off later when you're searching, sharing, or scaling a project. That's it. Open your parent page, type page, and press enter. Name and populate the new subpage, and use the breadcrumbs to hop back up whenever you need. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.